Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever dreamed of making that restaurant-quality creamy chicken right in your own kitchen? Tonight, you'll discover the secret to incredibly tender, flavorful creamy chicken that will impress everyone. This recipe transforms simple ingredients you likely already have into a truly comforting and elegant meal. You'll be amazed at just how quickly it all comes together, making it perfect for even the busiest weeknights. Get ready to elevate your dinner game effortlessly. To create this delicious dish, you'll need just a few simple items that are easy to find. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts are ideal, ensuring your chicken cooks quickly and remains wonderfully tender. For the incredibly rich sauce, gather some heavy cream, flavorful chicken broth, and essential aromatics like garlic and onion. A touch of butter and olive oil will also help build that foundational flavor. Having everything ready saves time and makes cooking a breeze. The first step to success is searing your chicken perfectly, ensuring it's golden brown and wonderfully juicy every single time. Begin by patting your chicken breasts completely dry. This is key for a good sear. Then, season them generously with salt and fresh pepper on both sides. Heat a pan with a little olive oil over medium-high heat, then sear the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until it's cooked through and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now comes the magic, crafting that incredibly rich and velvety cream sauce right in the same pan. Sauté your aromatics like minced garlic and diced onion in the pan drippings, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the chicken. Deglaze the pan with chicken broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer to loosen all the flavorful fond. Finally, pour in your heavy cream and let it gently simmer for several minutes, allowing it to naturally thicken into a beautiful, luxurious sauce. Season it to taste for perfect balance. With your chicken cooked and your sauce perfectly thickened, it's time to bring it all together for a truly decadent and ready-to-eat meal. Slice your perfectly cooked chicken breasts into appealing pieces, then gently nestle them back into that warm, luxurious cream sauce. Allow them to bathe in the sauce for just a minute or two, absorbing all that incredible flavor. Serve this exquisite creamy chicken immediately over your favorite pasta, fluffy rice, or alongside some crusty bread to soak up every last drop. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.